Have you ever wondered what it'd be like to make as much as $500 in just 30 minutes? Have you ever thought about what it'd be like to earn up to $50,000 every single month? Well, making that kind of money isn't just possible, it's easy, and you can do it all from your own home. In fact, with the little-known 30-minute money methods I'll be telling you about today, it's possible to make up to $600,000 this year. Look at this. Last year, I made $589,824 with my secret money methods, and you can too. In fact, it's easy to make up to $50,000 every single month when you know how. Here's the proof. Last month, Bertha Wilson made $48,583 from working for no more than an hour each day. Randy Martin works just 3 days per week, and last month his paycheck was $49,084. And Brittany Paul consistently makes $600 in just 30 minutes from talents she didn't know she had. Very soon, you too could be making up to $2,000 daily with the 30-minute money methods that I'm about to reveal today. Hi, I'm Shelley West, and over the next couple of minutes, I'll be sharing with you the secret to making an amazing income from home using nothing but your laptop. Now, I'm sure that sounds too good to be true. Sleeping in late, taking breaks whenever you feel like it, and working in your slippers? But hundreds of ordinary people like me are doing just that, and you can too.
This wasn't the first time that I tried to make money online, but it was certainly the first time that I'd been successful. In the past, I'd invested a lot of time and a lot of my money into online schemes that simply didn't work. And in fact, I was usually left worse off than when I started. But with this, I made $475 in the first 30 minutes, and now I comfortably bring in more than $10,000 every single week. I can't tell you how good this feels.
Discovering this secret has changed everything for me. I've been struggling financially since losing my job at the beginning of last year, and now I make more than $45,000 each month, and I never have to worry about money. I've paid off my credit cards, bought my first car, and moved out of my tiny apartment. These 30-minute money methods have changed everything for me.
I honestly didn't know it was easy to make money like this, especially from home. I thought six-figure salaries were for bankers and the Wall Street types, but I can easily make as much money as them, thanks to Shelley and the tricks up her sleeves. In just 8 months, I made $384,220.
What I'm sharing with you today is the chance of a debt-free, stress-free, easy life. Even if you're really short on time, you can still make money from working for as little as 30 minutes each day. I know of many single parents, full-time carers, and busy individuals who can only spare half an hour in the evening, and they're still able to make thousands of dollars. And no special skills are required. In fact, most of the people who are currently making $500 in 30 minutes don't have a college degree, and many of them didn't even finish high school. All you need is an internet connection and some way of working online. You can use a laptop, desktop computer, phone, or tablet. There's absolutely nothing to download or install, and you can get started right away. Look how much I made yesterday working at home on my laptop. $2,609. And look here, the day before, I made $2,188 working from my iPhone at my dad's house. Making money with this program really couldn't be easier, and I consistently make more than $2,000 every single day. Now, I'm sure you've heard this all before, and let me guess, you were left with that sinking feeling in your stomach when the methods you tried failed time and time again. I know that feeling. I've been there myself. There really is nothing worse. But let me tell you, this is different. When I share my 30-minute money methods with you, you'll see that the way I make money is straightforward and completely legitimate. You won't be asked to invest any startup cash. You won't be asked to do anything even slightly illegal. You won't be asked to share heaps of personal information, and you won't even need any special equipment or professional skills. Anyone can make money with my secret methods, and you'll be able to get started making cash today.